Hi guys, so if apps are downloading automatically in your iPhone, even if you are not installing them, then here is the fix. So what you have to do, you have to just tap on settings and then just scroll down and find App Store. Okay, tap on App Store, and now here under the automatic download section, make sure app downloads option is turned off. Okay, what it does, it automatically install free and paid apps purchased on the other devices. So if you have other devices associated with the same email ID and password, same Apple ID, then the apps installed there will also get downloaded and installed on this device. So just turn this feature off, and now apps will not download automatically in your iPhone without your permission and without you installing the apps. So that's it guys, please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.